Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the Bing and any other related images in the search bar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I recommend naming the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that that's out of the way, we're ready to begin. And we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK Current User folder. Do the same thing now for the Software folder, so double-click on that. Same thing for Policies. Should be a Microsoft folder in here, double-click on that. And it should be a Windows folder, double-click on that one too. And then go down to Explorer and just left click on that one time. On the right side, you want to locate a value that says Disable Search Box Suggestions and double click on it. You want to set the value data to number 1, and that will disable the search box suggestions. You'll have to select OK. If you do not see this value in here, you'll have to create it. So in order to do that, you just want to right click in a blank area. On the right panel, select New, and then select the word 32 the value. Again, name it Disable Search Box Suggestions, exactly how you see it on my screen. And then, like I said, you double click on it once you created it, set the value data to the number 1, and then you would need to restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So let's go ahead and actually just restart our computer at this time. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.